Well, as you can see, this is my 1931 Royal 10 typewriter. You can see the glass sides. They look pretty good. No problem with them. There's no rust stains on the glass or the frame. Lighting is not great, but you can still appreciate the looks of the typewriter. It's selling for $400 on Etsy, if anybody's interested. This is the serial number right here. It reads SX15049. Let's see. SX15049 something. Hold on. SX150 150 4648. So, one thing I've noticed about this is that this is made of steel. Somebody remanufactured it to make it look like the exact knob on the other side. It works good. There's nothing wrong with it. It still has the same original sleeve on it. So whoever did that did a great job. Labels on it look pretty good. Over here too. Works good. Haven't had any issues with it at all. So if anybody's interested, if anybody's interested, please check out Etsy.com. It's being sold there. Check and see what I've got. Thanks.